and welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon with smartcruiser.com, your source for all things cruising, and I am so excited to be here for you all today because we are going to be packing for a Caribbean cruise. Now, what's special about this is I'm only going to be using my away carry-on luggage. So if you're getting on a flight or anything, then you can just have your away luggage. And then I'm going to be using my Aloha waterproof beach bag for my cruise. So let's try to pack in 2 items, and I'm excited to get going on this cruise and I need to pack. So let's do it. All right, so I'm going to be starting with my Aloha beach bag. I haven't used this yet and I just got it, so I'm really excited. These are pretty popular bags right now. They're waterproof. I did get the one with a zipper on top because I want to be able to close all my belongings in here. And what I'm going to be putting in here are just cruise essentials because this is what I'm going to go ahead and carry on to the cruise as my personal item, where my carry-on will be my checked luggage that will arrive at my cabin later. So things that I'm going to need to put in here are going to be things that I need right away on the cruise, and then any shore excursion items I mean. So let's go ahead and check out what I am going to be putting in this bag. Okay, so one thing I love to do when I start packing for any type of vacation is I lay out everything I have. So I have everything laid out that needs to go into this beach bag, and I want to start with my sunscreen. And always bring more than you think you're going to need because I feel like I use so much sunscreen on vacation. I personally love Sunbum, they're great. And then I use their face mist, which is always really good. So that way if I want to go swimming right away when I get on board, I have my sunscreen ready to go. So I'm gonna put that in my bag. Okay, and then next I'm going to go ahead and throw in my visor. Love it. And my scalp hair mist. So this is great because I love to wear my hair in braids when I'm on a cruise, and I spray this on my scalp to keep it from getting sunburned. So that's a definite must going in here, and I'll need that on excursions. And then this hat is from San Diego Hat Company. I love it because I can fold it up and squish it as much as I want. And then when I undo it and Velcro it, it just becomes a hat for myself to protect myself from the sun. So it's really nice. I like this a lot. Great hat, great travel hat for any type of vacation you're doing. All right, the next thing I want to put in my Aloha beach bag is my Aloha large pouch here. And what I'm going to put in here are my swimsuits. And that is because after the cruise, if my swimsuits are still a little damp, they can all go in here and it's gonna hold the moisture inside. So that way when I get home, I can just take care of it then. So let's go ahead and fold up my swimsuits and put them in their little pouch. All right, so that is all set. I have that in there. I've got my sunscreen, visor, scalp mist. All right, next I am going to put in my hand sanitizer because I love having hand sanitizer on a cruise. I'm going to throw in cooling towels. Cooling towels are excellent for your excursions. You just wet them, wring them out, fold them around your neck. They're perfect for a beach day, or if you're in like a hot jeeper, doing an island tour, anything of that sort. And then I'm also, of course, going to put in my passport because I need my passport to get on board, or a certified copy of your birth certificate. Okay, just a few more items I want to throw in my carry-on bag, and then I'm done with my beach bag here. So aloe vera, I want to throw this in. I'm probably going to put it in a plastic bag so that way it doesn't get anywhere, as well as my other sunscreen, but I'll put it in here for now and I'll remember to do that. Chapstick, because I've realized the past few cruises that I've really needed chapstick. And then my battery pack. You have to have a battery pack because you may not have access to your luggage with your chargers for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and bring a battery pack. And then last but not least is my favorite item, and I bring it on every single cruise or trip that I'm on. And it is the Cali case. This is for your cell phone, and it's great for filming while you're in the water or while you're on the pool, or if it starts raining. It has come in handy on trips as well. So I love the Cali case, and not only that, but it floats. So if you drop it, your phone will not go to the bottom of the ocean or wherever you're at, and it will float. So excellent, excellent to have. And that's going to be the final item I am putting in my beach bag. And so it is ready to go. I can zip this up and move on to my regular carry-on luggage with my outfits in it. And this is perfect. I can carry this on board and it's all set. I do want to let you all know too, if you use the links in the description below, I do have a full cruise packing list for you, so you don't have to remember all of this. All right, so next I'm going to work on packing my outfits in my carry-on luggage. So let's get this open and ready for me to start putting my different outfits in. Please be empty. Yay! I love when I unpack. All right, let's go ahead and get started on showing you the outfits I want to pack for my cruise. All right, real quick, we need to take a break from packing to thank our sponsors of this video, that is Royal Caribbean. We are actually going on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, which is going to be so much fun. They have everything from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 night itineraries out of all the cruise ports here in the USA and some all around the world as well. So be sure to use smartcruiser.com to book your next Royal Caribbean vacation. And let's continue packing because I'm excited to get on board. Okay, so before I start packing my outfits, I'm going to let you all in on a #1 cruise packing secret hack of mine, and that is I use Tripped Travel Gear compression packing cubes. Now, trust me guys, I have a lot of packing cubes. These are absolutely amazing at helping me get as many outfits as I can into my away carry-on luggage so I don't have to bring a checked luggage on board. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna divide my outfits into 3 different types. I do shore excursion outfits, swimsuits and swimsuit cover-ups, which I already packed my swimsuits, so we're already ahead of the game here, and then nighttime and evening outfits on board the cruise. So let's get started checking out my outfits. Okay, another great packing tip, and I just recently started doing this one myself. I bought one of these like rolling wardrobes on Amazon for like 30 bucks, and it really helps me visualize each outfit that I'm going to be wearing on a vacation. So that's what I did for this cruise. I put everything out that I need, and I love versatile pieces. So there's some pieces here that I can wear for dinner and for during the day for an excursion. So let me show you what I mean by that, and then I'll show you the rest of my outfits too. All right, so I put on one of my outfits to show you all what I mean by versatile pieces. So for example, if I'm doing like an island tour or going to a beach on an island, I've got my jean shorts on and my cute crop top here. That's nice and airy, breezy for the hot, hot weather of the Caribbean. And then at nighttime, I'm going to change into this. Okay, so now I am in a skirt for dinner on board the cruise, and I have my same top on, and so now I get to pack less for this day because I've got my outfit all set. Let me show you one more example of this. All right, so now I'm in another example of an island exploring shore excursion outfit where I just have on a nice tank top, crop top, and a skirt for the day, and then when it's time for dinner and getting back on the ship, I am ready for nighttime. So now I just have my full 2-piece outfit on and I'm ready to go. Honestly, you can even wear this during the day if you'd like. I'm just trying to show you all how you can piece together different outfits to change it up between the day and the night. So that's all I wanted to show you for that. Let's go ahead and start packing some of my other stuff. I have a beautiful dress that I'll wear one evening for dinner. Again, can also be a shore excursion dress if I want to. I have a nice little jumper piece here that I'm gonna pack and put away. I have another tank top, a bodysuit that I can easily pair with those jean shorts I had on. This can also go with those jean shorts if I want. I have a pretty pink tank top in case I need that for another island excursion day. And then of course I have my swimsuit cover up. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you guys how great these packing cubes are because they're gonna fit everything and I'm gonna have tons of room. Okay, so what I'm going to start doing now is just putting all of my clothes into my compression packing cubes and cross my fingers that it can all fit into one side so I have the other side for shoes, my accessories, items like that. So let's get to it. One more item in this first one here. Let's do like my tank top. It's nice and thin. Then we'll close up my first one. Here, let's do my bodysuit, my white bodysuit. Nice, perfect. #1, done. Okay, I'm not sure if I can get this last dress in here, but we're gonna try. We're gonna cross our fingers and see, because if I can get this one in here and get all of my clothes into 2 bags, that means I still have space on this side to throw in necessities like socks, underwear, things like that that you guys don't need to see. Yeah, we got it. All of my clothes for a 6-night Caribbean cruise in 2 bags. Awesome. And like I said, there's still plenty of room over here. I would say I have about like that much room on the side in order for me to throw in my socks and underwear. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll flip to the other side. Okay, so I am going to be bringing 3 different pairs of shoes on this cruise. I'm going to wear my white slip-on Vans for embarkation day. They're just great airport shoes, great for getting on the cruise ship, great for walking around the cruise ship, any excursion that I may need shoes like this for. Perfect. I'm going to pack my Tiva sandals for any beach excursions we do, beach trips, going to the pool, and then I'm also going to pack just a cute pair of beachy sandals for dinner at night. Okay, so I'm gonna pack my Tivas in my shoe bags here that I have from Trip Travel Gear as well. Their packing cubes come with shoes. I don't think I can get 2 in one, can I? Oh my gosh, new hack unlocked. I can. I've been putting them in one. So, okay, there's 1 pair of shoes right there. And then let me see if I can get the heels in another. Yep, perfect. My heels, and there we go. My Vans, like I said, I'm wearing, so I don't need to pack those. And now I still have plenty of room for my hair straightener, which I like to bring on board. My makeup, if I want to have some makeup on board. I typically don't wear a lot of makeup on a cruise because I'm out doing a lot. And then any other accessories like my toothbrush, toothpaste, all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and fill in this side of the suitcase. All right, so I grabbed a few accessories. I got my toothbrush, so I'm gonna slide that in here. I got my hair straightener. Whoops. I was unwinding it instead of winding it up. All right, that's gonna go right there. Got some just like toothpaste, deodorant, spray perfume. That's great right in here. And then I have my hairbrush. I have, oh, good tip. Okay, a lot of cruise lines will have shampoo, but no conditioner. So I've learned over the last few cruises to bring my own conditioner so my hair isn't crazy. So I have conditioner. I'll probably put this in a plastic bag though beforehand. And then if you are prone to motion sickness, I cannot recommend enough taking Bonine. It's a chewable small tablet once a day. Completely helps with taking away any seasickness or motion sickness. I feel I might keep this in here or I might change it to my beach bag. I don't know yet, but for now I'm gonna pack it in here. And I still have tons of room. So if there's more things I want to pack, if I want to have more outfit ideas, I can. If I want more accessories, my makeup, I can put that in here. I still have tons of room and I didn't know if this was gonna work. So we are good to go. We are packed. We are ready for this cruise. All right, that is packed, all set. Now the only other thing I'm going to do is I am going to get my beach bag and put it right on top. And I'm done. We are set, we are ready to go. I still have plenty of room if I need more items. I might bring my fanny pack that I love to have across for excursions, just so I have that across me. And with all my like wallet, glasses, sunglasses, items like that. But I think I'm ready to go. So it is time to go on my Caribbean cruise. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a little bit about packing and how you can pack using a carry-on and a beach bag for your upcoming cruise. Be sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button because we are going on Royal Caribbean's brand new Wonder of the Seas. And then right after that, we are going on the brand new Carnival celebration. So we cannot wait to show you all those ship tours, cabin tours, fun activities and excursions we are doing on board. And until next time, guys, we'll see ya.